up, guys? Your boy Natish. So big surprise, if you haven't already seen the videos, I got rid of the Beamer. No, I did not get rid of the G, but I did pick up another vehicle, and what I picked up is a 2013 P31 C63 AMG. Guys, this is one car that I have been absolutely dreaming about since I was about 17 years old, 18 years old, when we first started seeing them come into market. And I'm sure you guys have all seen that Jeremy Clarkson Top Gear video where he takes a Black Series out on a road test, and he does it in like the Black Mountains and stuff. Like, that video absolutely sold me on the M156 motor and this chassis. So far, I'm absolutely ecstatic about this car. Unfortunately, obviously, they only come in auto, but this car is so wild that it comes to a point where you're like okay with the fact that it's not manual. It just doesn't, I don't think it suits the car for it to be manual, but I can't say that a manual one wouldn't be absolutely nasty. So if you guys don't already know, the P31 actually comes with forged internals, and if optioned out, it actually also comes with the LSD. A lot of people don't know the C63s don't all come with a limited slip differential. You actually have to get, first of all, either the P30 or P31 package. The P31s all had it already equipped, but the P30s already had it equipped, but the P31s needed an actual optional add-on. The brakes, these actually are supposed to come with the two-piece rotors. However, unfortunately, I kind of got screwed because the guy had changed the brakes since they were worn out, and he ended up putting just regular rotors, but they still have the full performance package brakes. So in a way, it's kind of a good thing because A, the brakes are pretty much brand new now all around, and I don't have to change them. And you know, down the road when I do have to replace them, it's kind of cheaper for me because I don't have to go back to two-piece unless I want to, right? So it's an option. And if you don't already know, two-piece rotors are super expensive, but they're really lightweight, so it actually cuts down on the rotational mass, which should actually make the car a little quicker. Now, yes, if you're asking, I got the red guts, which absolutely highlight the car. Like, the white on red guts is just nasty. When the sun hits it, like, here, hold on, let me turn the car on. So yeah, when the sun's hitting the seats and you can like see it through the windshield and shit. I know it's like almost too sunny right now, but yeah, it's just the red guts is nasty. I absolutely love it. So this is the 2012. Sorry, I lied, 2013. So obviously it has a new upgraded interior and the Alcantara on the side grips of the steering wheel. And the guy ended up having some like 507 wheels on it. Like, I think they're like replicas, to be honest with you. But yeah, carbon fiber lip spoiler, carbon fiber diffuser, and we also have these like fins added on here by the previous owner. But I guess they look all right. I don't know, tell me what you guys think. Fitment's actually pretty nasty. I mean, considering they're aftermarket wheels, it's almost flush. It's only got like 235 tires all around, which makes it an absolute drift monster. Like, this thing slides for days. Wait till you guys see some of the videos I'll be uploading shortly with this car. Plans for the future, I definitely want to get a lip put on the front. I think it really does need that. Just looking at it stock, it almost looks a little C350 like, to be honest with you. But a lip would definitely take care of that. And then also I do want to do a Eurocharge Canada tune on it, because those are pretty much the best tunes to go with from what I've heard and seen. Let me know what you guys think about that. The tranny tune comes with an engine tune as part of a package, and it really does wake these things right up. It's these cars came with another extra 30 horsepower from the factory because of the performance package. So this is gonna, you know, go even in excess of that. So we'll see how it is. Car's got just a little over 60,000 miles on it. It's around close to 70,000 miles, or 116,000 kilometers. And I'm happy I got the 2013 because, see guys, with a lot of guys seen those like 09 and 10 selling for like, you know, 15 to 20K, dirt cheap, non-performance package. I didn't really feel satisfied with getting a car like that, right? Like, with that, you don't get the performance brakes, you don't get the forged internals, you definitely do not get the LSD, right? And you just end up with an older car which is known to have head bolt issues, and the old tranny in these cars is absolute torque converter trash. So once you drive it, you'll see what I'm talking about. This thing, however, has the upgraded BMW 7-speed MCT, so it's way more responsive. It has launch control in it, which I'll show you guys later on, and it also has the like, it's just way quicker on the downshifts, a little bit quicker on the upshifts. And the sport mode that it has is wicked. Like when you're driving in Sport Plus, you start driving it hard, and when you get on the brakes, it's just like auto downshift, like right to, close to red line. Absolutely nasty. So I'll give you guys a little demo of that later on. Windows already came tinted as well, and I got it for a really good price, and I just couldn't pass up the offer. And it was funny, a buddy of mine actually offered to buy the 540i at the exact same time. So I'm just like, you know what, this is gonna be the best move I can make right now. And obviously I'm trying to grow this YouTube channel, like a lot of you guys love the content, and I want to keep making this content for you guys. So let's go ahead and start her up, and I want you guys to hear how this thing sounds. Oh yeah, and by the way, that exhaust ain't stock. Check this shit out. It's already warm for those of you asking. Thing's just like, if American muscle was German, German muscle, this is what this thing is. It's just an American car that's German. I'm not even talking shit. Like, it's literally just a drifting beast, and the way the steering feels in the middle of a drift is absolutely nuts. So inside the car here, we have the control modes here. So you have your comfort, and I actually have an issue with one of my parking sensors, so that thing's going off at the startups. So yeah, we have comfort mode here. We switch that to sport. You can actually feel the whole tranny kind of shift over. And then we have Sport Plus. And Sport Plus is really cool because you don't need to shift, first of all, right? And I'm just gonna take the traction control off. So we're gonna hold it down for a couple seconds there. It's gonna go into, there, it's off now. And now you can actually have some fun with the car. So, here, let's show you. So I don't have to shift, right? Just those are all automatic downshifts. And it literally slides like, I mean, you could probably whip a U here and like. All right, let's go ahead and switch over to the GoPro. Before that, by the way, what the craziest thing is how quiet it is. Like, watch, I put in comfort, and that's it. Hold on the up paddle so it gears up, and that's it. Car becomes a completely smooth, just like straight cruising machine, not bugging anybody at all.